Welcome, ladies. If you've ever wondered how to take control of your financial future, build wealth on your own terms, and protect your family's financial well-being, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into a concept that's been changing the game for many: infinite banking. This strategy isn't just for the wealthy. It's a game changer for women who want to regain control over their financial lives and build a wealth system that lasts. But before we get started, here's a quick tip for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on empowering content like this. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Infinite banking is not your typical banking system. Instead of depending on traditional banks to hold your money, this system allows you to take control by using a whole life insurance policy as your personal bank. Sounds interesting, right? Let me break it down. With infinite banking, you purchase a whole life insurance policy that builds cash value over time. The idea is simple. As you pay your premiums, you build a cash reserve within your policy. This reserve is your personal bank that you can access at any time, for any reason, without the need for approval from a bank or a credit institution. This strategy is becoming increasingly popular among women because it gives you financial independence and a secure way to grow wealth, all while protecting your family's future. Infinite banking. Now, why is this system particularly effective for women? Well, let's be real. Many women are facing unique financial challenges. Whether it's closing the pay gap, navigating career breaks to care for family, or dealing with longer life expectancies, women often have to plan differently for their future. That's where infinite banking comes in. It offers women the ability to build wealth with more control and stability than traditional savings or investment methods. Plus, with the right approach, infinite banking provides a safe, tax-advantaged way to grow your money. Let's walk through the key elements of how infinite banking works. Whole life insurance policy. The backbone of the system is a whole life insurance policy, which offers both life insurance coverage and a cash value component that grows over time. Building cash value. As you make your premium payments, part of that money goes toward building the cash value in your policy. This grows at a guaranteed interest rate, plus potential dividends. Accessing your cash value. The best part is that you can borrow against the cash value of your policy. This means you can access funds for big expenses like buying a home, funding education, or even starting a business, without the hassle of going through traditional financial institutions. Tax benefits. The cash value inside the policy grows tax-deferred, which means you're not paying taxes on it as it grows. Additionally, when you borrow against it, the money is typically not taxed, another huge advantage. Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. Now, let's talk about the safety and power of infinite banking. Financial security. As women, we tend to live longer than men, which means we need to plan for a longer retirement. Infinite banking offers that security, providing you with a steady source of cash for the future. Control over your finances. One of the most empowering things about infinite banking is the control it gives you. You don't have to ask a bank for permission to borrow money. You have access to your cash value, and you can use it however you see fit. Protection for your family. If something were to happen to you, your family is protected by the life insurance component of the policy. Not only does this give you peace of mind, but it ensures that your loved ones are financially secure. Wealth building. Over time. Unlike other financial strategies that may come with high risk, infinite banking allows you to steadily build wealth over time with a guaranteed rate of return. Your cash value continues to grow even when the market is unstable. Let's dive into how you can actually build your own wealth system using infinite banking. Start with the right policy. To build a successful infinite banking system, you need to start with the right whole life insurance policy. A policy designed specifically for infinite banking has a focus on maximizing cash value growth, so make sure you work with an expert who understands this. Strategy. Pay your premiums consistently. Building cash value takes time, so make sure you're committed to paying your premiums regularly. It's important to treat this like an investment. It will grow over time, and the longer you commit to it, the better the returns. Use your cash value. Once you've built up some cash value in your policy, you can start using it to fund major life expenses or investments. The beauty of infinite banking is that you have the flexibility to use your funds however you need. Borrowing and repaying. When you borrow from your cash value, you can pay it back on your own schedule. The flexibility to borrow and repay on your own terms is one of the key features that makes this system work so well for women who want control over their finances. Reinvest your money. As you repay your loans, the money you paid back goes right back into your policy's cash value. This makes your system grow even faster, giving you more access to funds as time goes on. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. So let's take a moment to focus on the life insurance aspect of infinite banking. Life insurance as a safety net. The death benefit provided by the policy is the safety net that makes this strategy so appealing. If you pass away unexpectedly, your beneficiaries will receive a tax-free death benefit, ensuring your family's financial future is secure. A steady wealth-building tool. Whole life insurance isn't just for protection, it's a wealth-building tool. As your cash value grows, it gives you the ability to borrow against it, reinvest, and build wealth over time. This steady growth can provide a reliable income stream in retirement or help you fund major life events. If this message made you think differently about money, banks, or protecting your family's future, the next step is not a sales call. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy, not a product, and it's not right for everyone. To help determine whether this approach fits someone's goals, cash flow, and expectations, we've created a short infinite banking strategy review. Start with the strategy review linked below.